Hello students. Today's learning topic is chapter number 3, Fiber to Fabric. First point, processing fibers into wool and life history of silk moth. Okay? First point, processing fibers into wool. We cannot use fiber obtained from sheep directly for making sweater and shawls or many other things, which involves the following step. First, searing. The fleece of the sheep along with a thin layer of skin is removed from its body. This process is called searing. For that, hair cutting machines are used. Machines similarly to those used by barbers are used to shave off hair. And usually hair are removed during hot weather. This enables sheep to survive without their protective coat of hair. The hair provide woolen fibers. Woolen fibers are then processed to obtain woolen yarn. And if done in winter, then it can harm the sheep. Okay? And the sheep uppermost layer of the skin is dead. Then also the hair of sheep grow again. Okay? Second step is scouring. The scared skin with hair is thoroughly washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. This is called scouring. And scouring is a process of preparing and washing a fiber to remove impurities such as grease and dust, and remove impurities like dust and grease before further processing. Okay? Third step is sorting. After scoring, sorting is done. The clean fiber is sent to factory where hair of different textures are separated or sorted. Okay? Fourth step is drying. The fibers can be dry in various colors. Fine hairs are used to make clothes. Coarse hair are used to make rugs. And the small fluffy fibers called blurs are picked out from the hair. These are the blurs which sometimes appear on your sweaters. Yes, the fibers are scored again and dry. This is the wool ready to drawn into fiber. Okay. Fifth step is dyeing. The natural phase of shape and gods is white, brown, and black. So the fibers can be dry in various color. Okay. Last step is rolling and spinning. The fibers are stat, combed, and rolled into yarn. There are two types of fiber, longer and shorter. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweater and shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen clothes. Okay. Next point is silk. Silk fibers are also animal fibers. Silkworms spin the silk fiber. The silk fiber from the cocoon of this moth is soft, luster, elastic, and strong. Okay. And silk fibers are used for weaving silk cloth. The soft silk yarn is as strong as the comparable thread of steel wire. Okay. Next, sericulture. First, what is sericulture? The rearing of silkworms for obtaining silk is called sericulture. It is a very old occupation in India. In India, produce plenty of silk on a commercial scale. For example, in India, women are significantly involved in various kind of industries related to silk productions, and these are rearing of silk, reeling of silkworms, cocoons, and processing of raw silk into fabric. Okay. Next point is life of silkworm. The adult moths mate with each others, and the female moth lay many teeny eggs on the leaf of mulberry trees. Egg hatch out larva is called caterpillar and silkworm. It stops eating after eating leaves of mulberry up to 25 to 30 days and becomes dormant. And caterpillar enter in next stage of its life history is called puma. It first waves a net to hold itself, then it swings its head from side to side in the form of the figure of 8. During this movement of the head, caterpillar secrete fibers made of a protein which harden on exposes to air and become silk fibers. Soon the caterpillar completely covers itself by silk fibers and turn into puma. This covering is called cocoon. Okay, and the further development of the puma moth continues inside the cocoon, and finally silk moth comes out by breaking cocoon. Okay. 3.5 Collect pieces of silk cloth of various types and paste them in your scrapbook. For example, you can find them in a tailor's shop among the heap of waste cut pieces, and identify the characteristic of their softness. Compare with artificial silk, and take the help of your parents and identify the types of silk such as mulberry silk, kosa silk, moga silk, eri silk, etc. and paste these pieces in your scrapbook. Collect pictures of different motifs, wool, caterpillars provide various types of silk. Okay. Next, activity 3.6. Take an artificial silk thread and pure silk thread. Burn these threads carefully. You can observe the smell of burning of thread of pure silk, and wool is like the smell of burning of hair. While burning of artificial silk thread, the smell is similar to burning of plastic. Okay?